I'm going to be giving myself $100, this laptop, and 24 hours to start a profitable dropshipping business and make our first $1,000. We need to find a product, build a store, create an offer, and launch our first paid ads campaign on TikTok. So no more wasting time, the timer starts now. The first hour I had my alarm set for early in the morning. We're looking for a product for this challenge, so I knew we had some work to do. I wanted to sell something that was problem solving, had a wow factor, and was relatively cheap and had a large target audience, whether it was through scrolling on social media or using different softwares. I took some time to scroll on TikTok in hopes of finding our winning product. I usually search for the hashtags TikTok made me buy it, Amazon must-haves, and TikTok shop. I also like to use softwares like AutoDs to help me find winning products. The best way is to go to Marketplace, where you'll find a ton of good options that are hand-picked by their team. They also update their catalog all the time, so you can be sure you're picking a product that's currently trending and is proven to sell. We're also going to use the TikTok spy feature later on in this video to find the winning video ads for our product. It's extremely simple to use, and I'll leave a 30-day free trial link in the description of this video. After scrolling through TikTok for some time, I actually stumbled upon this video that caught my attention. Here it is. This bag is extremely portable, it fits a ton of clothes, and most importantly, it solves a huge problem for frequent travelers who have to pay to check in their bags at the airport. I found this product on AliExpress for $33, but I was able to privately message the supplier and get this product for $24 with free 7 to 9 day shipping to the US. So I went back inside AutoDS and I imported my product straight from AliExpress into my store. Now that we found our product, this duffel bag, it's time for us to get a few things out of the way. We need a logo. For the logo, I decided to keep everything very simple. I used the font League Spartan, and I chose a brand name that had an available .com domain to purchase. So for example, myduffelbag.com. We also needed to create an interactive add-on to use later on our TikTok ads. I decided to run a 30% off discount on this product. So I got the 3 bag variants, and I made a very clean pop-up that will work as a button for our TikTok ads. So once somebody sees our ad, after 5 seconds, this image will pop up, and this will actually increase our CTR, meaning more people will actually click on our website and go into our store. And this is something you can do for completely free, and it literally takes you a few minutes to do. So if you're not already implementing this into your TikTok ad strategy, please do so right away. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of hours and I have some exciting updates about the challenge. First and foremost, we got the website done and I think it's pretty solid. We ended up choosing the name My Duffel Bag for the product. We are currently selling this bag for $69.99, which is almost 3x the price we buy it for. The copywriting was made to be very simple and easy to understand, and we really prioritized the features of this bag throughout the landing page. Apart from gifts of the product, reviews, and FAQs, that was pretty much all we did for the store. I wanted to keep this website simple for this challenge because I wanted to show you that you don't need the craziest of websites to start out. You just need great marketing, a good product, and most importantly, a vision. Now that we have our website finalized and ready to generate sales, it's time for us to set up our TikTok ads. I'm just gonna hop on the computer, and since I've shown you guys how to do this before on the channel, I'm just gonna quickly go over how I set up a testing campaign. So first things first, you're gonna hit create. For the advertising objective, we're gonna keep website conversions. For the campaign name, we're gonna name this CBO and the product name, so duffel bag. Duffel bag. We're also going to turn on campaign budget optimization, and we're going to keep the budget $50 for this campaign. We're going to hit continue. Pixel, we're going to select the pixel we have connected to our Shopify store. Optimization event, we're going to keep this complete payment. You hit select placement, you uncheck search results, and also make sure you uncheck global app and also Pangle. Next, you're going to hit advanced settings, and you're going to turn off user comments and also video downloads. You want to turn both of these off because you don't want random people commenting negative stuff about your product on your video ad, which will in return make less people go into your website. Lastly, all we have to do for the ad group setting is come down here to age and check everything 18 and above. We're gonna leave the genders all because we are targeting this product both for male and for females. Now for the identity, I usually just keep a real person's face For this example, we have Eva, and I just got a random picture of a woman online. I find our CPC to be lower when I do include a real person's custom identity instead of a brand logo and a brand name. So now we're just gonna upload our 5 video creatives. They're right here on the right side. For our ad text, we're gonna put get 30% off ends tonight. For our call to action, we're gonna keep this standard and we're gonna keep it on shop now. Now for interactive add-ons, we did create one earlier on in this video, so we're gonna hit create. Come here to display card, we're gonna hit create right here. We're gonna come here to upload image and we're gonna hit update, and you're just gonna put your image that you created inside. For example, here we have the picture of the 3 bags. We also have the get 30% offer ends tonight, and we have a little brand logo at the bottom. And make sure for display time, you keep it at 5 seconds. Now that our interactive add-on is created, all we have to do is put our product page URL inside. So I'm gonna copy this here and we're gonna paste it here. And lastly, all I have to do is duplicate this ad group 5 more times. Now we're gonna wait for TikTok to start spending our money, and all we have to do is sit back and wait for the sales to start coming in. We just made our first sale. I was actually doing some shopping at the mall when the notification came through. I think by this time in the challenge, we had only spent $10 on ads and we just made $50 in profit, so everything was looking very good. I kept the campaign on throughout the rest of the day, but for some reason, TikTok just didn't want to spend our money. The campaign was stuck at $20 spent for like over 2.5 hours. So I don't know what TikTok was doing, but they just didn't want to spend our money. So once I got back home, I turned the campaign off at night and I set up a new campaign to start running at 6 a.m. the next day. It's finally been the full 24 hours and it's time for us to go over the results for this challenge. We made 2 sales for a total of $139.98. Let's break down the profits. So looking at our TikTok ads manager, we spent a total of $87.47 on ads. We also spent a total of $48 to ship the products to our customers. So in total, we made $4.31 profit for this challenge. I know $4 in profit doesn't seem like anything, but I'm confident if we keep running this store, we can scale it to thousands and thousands of dollars in profit. Let me know if that's something you guys would actually like to see. And like always, my name is Leo, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.